Right guys, ang aming gagawin guys is kunin yung mangga. Wait, challenge pala ito guys, challenge. Oh no.
Oh no. Oh no.
Crack yan. Na-crack.
No. Wait, you can put this here.
Oo nga. Wala naman yun. Modaga nagkalit. Na, base may chance.
If you run, you die. See?
Oh, betul.
Stop.
Oh. Next target is dito. This one. Ikaw pala kuha yun, oh. Ala, maulog. Survive.
I survived the very
Kita ang mangga. Survive ba?
It survived, my boys.
Sana all survive man.
Yes, it survived.
Ala! Ugay ko lang piso! Ugay! Busamot judis. Matagak gay na o ikaw dyan. Nasa labas. Let me bring the camera. Teka lang ha. Ay, makuha! Ayan, makuha ba ya? May chance makuha pa. May chance na makuha. May chance. Yes! Nakuha! Sana all. Nakuha by basket.
Wait, I didn't know it was gonna go in there.
Sana all. Sana all, oy.
Wait, where?
Giran dead na.
It's not dead, it's alive.
Alive pero na.
Where should they put the release?
Wala akong masasabi. Saan na malagay?
We should put this here.
Mahulog pala yan.
Let's go get some.
Kunin pa yung mga mangga na yan, oh.
Ito lahat.
Kunin lahat yun, oh.
Let's go.
Ala!
Got that shit.
Oh! Ala, nahulog mga mga.
A few moments later.
Oh, yung leaves na lang nabilin. Ay! Nahulog! Na-damage.
Wait, let me see.
Na-damage yan?
Nah, not really.
Okay, landing naman sa
Good.
rocks naman or sa soil bala.
Get back. Yung mambak nito siya.
Bisa na nakita nyo?
Alright.
Where should we
Anas.
The Miraculous.
Depende pala yan yun.
Ito pala.
Napala dyan, oh. Hulog na! Oy! Hulog na! Wah! Hulog na!
I got it by impossible. Some Baba G. I'm getting.
Sana all ako, ha?
I catch it with my own.
Sana all? Kinuha pa yan, no?
No, that's kind of good right there.
Timing.
Boom. Boom.
Ala, nahulog!
Okay, but now what?
Kula piso!
Never mind, I give up. That last bit of delicious.
Sige na, hulog. Hulog na. Hulog na. Yes!
I keep catching it.
Pro naman.
I don't know why.
Pro naman, oh, pro.
But I'm...
He has a power like, I don't know, wala akong masasabi. Sino ba to? I think si Thanos ba yan? Wait, before that, yung tripod. Maigo yan, no?
Let's see.
Maigo yung wars. Kuya
Nah,
mo.
there's no
That's possible.
mango here.
Kuya lang na mabuto.
Watch this, guys. Watch this.
Dito pa lang mabilis.
Watch this.
Mahug na. Ala! Mabali.
Whoa, see that?
Naon. Balik ko sa ubos. Wing!
What?
Abot sa war, mabuto. Hulog na! What dyan?
Oh, I didn't catch it this time.
Pero nalanding sa cement. Damage?
Nah.
Landing raman sa cement.
Let's go.
Diretso ka po. Landing sa simento, hindi na.
Like, shock.
Ha! Grabe ko. Buwan pa yung mangga na eh. Oh! Nahulog.
Go. You saw that, guys?
Nakita yan.
It didn't fail, but
Nakrak kamay.
I will show you there. See, it's
Little bit crack lang.
little bit cracked. Listen to him, because he said that it's a little bit cracked. Like, cracked. I shot the poo. I poo my pants and my pants fell on the poo.
Ha,
The
grabe.
fuck is that?
Wala.
Oh! Oh.
Hulog na! Hulog na! Hulog na!
Hulog. Na. Hulog.
Hulog na!
Na.
Ay! Kulang piso! Kulang pis!
Ah, it's still green, so no.
Wag na yung
I
green.
thought it was like,
Wag na yan mga green na yan. At
wow, wag green. Pero ito, pwede na to.
hindi naman. Di makuha. Ah!
No!
Oh my gosh! Nalanding ba? Nalanding.
Mine. Well,
Yeah. Rock, dude.
let's say goodbye to this. Ilbos James.
Ha?
Watch.
2, 3.
A few moments later.
Wawa naman. Oh.
Rest in pieces!
Rest in peace.
May
But
sas...
I'm not gonna let you rest in peace, Madaling. That beautiful one. Oh, that beautiful masterpiece.
Madi malanding sa camera.
Peace.
Uy! Kulang piso! May possibility maabot yan. Nahulog! So, anyways guys, thanks for watching. Like and subscribe. Sana ma-reach tayo ng 1,200 subscribers and bye-bye!